I'll do Spira. Firstly, I'd like to thank my legal team, Dara, Jude, Blenna, Brenda, Gareth, Roz, and to all at Phoenix Law. I'd also like to say gura míle. I think she's gone. To Susan, my interpreter. This entire process was never about me. Never about any threat to the public. Never about terrorism. A word used by your government to discredit people you oppress. It was always about Gaza. About what happens if you dare to speak up. As people from Ireland, we know oppression, colonialism, famine and genocide. We have suffered and still suffer under your empire. Your attempts to silence us have failed because we're right and you're wrong. We will not be silent.